Welcome to Stephen Fuller Pastels. I'm Stephen Fuller and it's lovely to have you along today. Welcome if you've come from the Patreon page, and welcome also if you've come from my YouTube page. I thought I'd show you something a bit different today. I'm going to teach you how to make a perfect tortillon. Now a tortillon, here's one, is the perfect blending tool. Tortillon in French means a twisted one, and indeed what this is a twisted roll of paper effectively, and what it's very good for is doing precision blending, and let me just show you that now. There you go. Sometimes your fingers are a little too big and you need something more precise. The tortillon itself is useful in any dry medium, be that pastels like I use, graphite, pencils, colour pencils, everything like that. So yeah, tortillon is a really cheap and easy way to get a precision blender. So what do you need for it? You need a rectangular piece of paper. You can do these in any size. This one's about 8 inches by 6 inches. You need a paintbrush, and you need some sellotape. Okay, let's give it a go then. So the first thing I'm going to let you know is that I've put a black line down this edge of the paper so that you can better see what's going on when I start to spiral the paper a little bit. Now the paper I'm using is quite a thick paper, it's much closer to card, and it consists of lots of fibres in different directions. So what you need to do is you actually need to start training those fibres to bend the way you want them, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to coil this paper up 3 times, and the third one is going to be when we actually make the tortillon itself. So first of all, let's have our first bit of training. So I want you to put your a rectangle of paper down with a short edge facing towards you, and I want you to place your paintbrush like in the picture. And now what we're going to do is we're going to roll that paper around the paintbrush really tightly. Now if you have a look in the diagram, this is the direction I want you to roll in. You're going to curve away as the thicker side takes up more space. It's going to go around to the left. If you coil it straight ahead, you'll just end up with a coil of paper. If you coil it to the right, you'll end up with your blending tool inside out and it won't be any use to you at all. So here we go, rolling it away from you, keeping the paper itself nice and tight to the paintbrush itself. That's it, just roll it round like so, in the direction I mentioned, just off of that vertical, then roll it and keep going until it's completely rolled up like so. There, and as I'm sure you can see, with a black line that I put on the edge there, which makes no difference at all to the operation of tortillon, I should say, you can see how the paper is coiled up. Okay, let's just let go of that now, and as you can see, it's pre-coiled now. It's starting to be trained the way I want it. It's curved into a spiral. So we're going to open it up again, and this time what I want you to do is to put your paintbrush in this position. And we're going to repeat the action. This time I've got the point of the paintbrush right on the edge of the paper, so it's really nice and tight, and pay particular attention to the end of the paintbrush because you want it to actually roll there as opposed to end up with folds. So push it away again and you'll see that black line start to develop into a spiral. There we go. So that's our second paper training run done. This time we're actually going to make the tortillon for real. So releasing it again, and you'll notice the paper is actually just a little bit tighter again, so it's actually going to go in the direction I want it to go. So open it up again, and this time I want you to pull the paintbrush a little bit more to the right, like in the diagram. Give yourself probably about 2 inches of space on the left hand side there, because that will enable you to get a really good tight tortillon. So I'm going to do exactly the same as I've done before, and that's to wrap the paper around the paintbrush tightly. Now this time, because there's no paintbrush on the left hand end, you'll probably have to just give it a bit of a help to get that coil started. And as before, we're not going directly ahead, we're going off to the left hand direction just a little bit. And there we go, rolling it, and you'll see where the black line is and that the spiral is starting to form. There we go. Exactly as I wanted. So hold it tight as you pick it up to the paintbrush. What you can do now is you can grip the end of the tortillon and pull it, and at the same time twist it. You're actually wanting to tighten it, and that will allow you to get even more of a sharp point on your tortillon. When you're happy, you've got it as tight as you want, and it's a little bit harder with thick card like I'm using. However, if you've got a thinner paper that you're using, that'll be quite easy to do. Then what you're going to do is get yourself a piece of sticky tape and just tape it into position. And now you've got the perfect tortillon. This one with a nice black spiral down it showing you how the paper's going. Okay, you can use these as you saw in the little video at the start just to do precision blending, and they're absolutely great for that. Over time what's going to happen, they're going to get dirty. And the way you can clean them is just to use a piece of emery board or a piece of sandpaper, just clean it off. You can use a pair of scissors, you can flatten and trim the edge. There's any shape you want if you want a different shape. But let's be honest, when it gets dirty and a bit tired, as it will do because they do wear out, it's just a piece of paper. You can make yourself another one. So, I hope you enjoyed our little video today, showing you how to make the perfect tortillon. I hope you have lots of fun making your own and using them in your own art practice. Thank you very much for watching the video today. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to take part in some of my longer tutorials, those are available on my Patreon page, and I'll put the link up as well. Thank you very much for watching today, and goodbye for now.